Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" It is what it is. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. Imagine you're at a restaurant, and your food is taking forever to arrive. The waiter tells you, "It is what it is." You might think, what does that even mean? The idiom "it is what it is" means that a situation cannot be changed. And we must accept it as it is. It's often used to acknowledge a difficult or unpleasant situation. To remember the meaning, think of the phrase "let it be." Both mean to accept a situation as it is without trying to change it. Let me tell you another story. Sarah lost her job, but she didn't give up. She kept applying and finally got a better job. It wasn't easy, but she learned that it is what it is and kept going. Fun fact number 1. The idiom originated in the 1940s and gained popularity in the 1990s. Fun fact number 2. It's often used in sports to describe a loss or setback. Fun fact number 3. The idiom is used in many languages, including Spanish and French. Example sentence number 1. I didn't get the job, but it is what it is. The speaker is accepting the situation and moving on. Example sentence number 2. The flight was delayed, but it is what it is. The speaker acknowledges the situation is out of their control. Original sentence, I didn't make the team, but it is what it is. Rephrased, I didn't make the team, but I'll keep practicing. Rephrased, I didn't make the team, but I'll try again next year. Real life story. After losing the game, the coach reminded the team that it is what it is and encouraged them to work harder next time. The team went on to win the championship the following year. Similar expressions, let it be, accept the situation, move on. Opposite expressions, change the situation, don't accept it, fight it. Related idioms, take it as it comes, roll with the punches, deal with it. Let me tell you one last story. After losing her job, Sarah learned to take life as it comes. She rolled with the punches and dealt with it. And you know what? She's happier than ever. Quiz time. What does the idiom "it is what it is" mean? Option 1, change the situation. Option 2, accept the situation. Option 3, fight the situation. Answer, option 2. The idiom means to accept a situation as it is without trying to change it. In summary, it is what it is means to accept a situation as it is without trying to change it. Remember, let it be. We'd love to hear your story with the idiom. Please share your thoughts in the comments. And always remember, it is what it is.